Well, we are now here at Robert E Lee High School. Y'all can see that. You know what I'm saying? Lee High School. Doing the thing right now. It's about to go down in a little while. Things like that. But go around in here. Have some fun, chill. Really, because it's hot. Well, it's not that hot out here. It's a little warm. You know, me having this long sleeve shirt on ain't really making it no better. But anyway, we're gonna make our way over. All right, so y'all take a walk with me. Let's go. Oh snap! Look at that. Well, looky. See the bike? Yeah, buddy. We're walking. We're walking. Well, the funny thing was, kind of did get a little lost on the way here. But now we're here to see it. About to see if we can get in. Oh, these doors? Okay. This one? Okay. Thank you. Thank you very much. How are you doing?
Good. How are you doing?
Doing very good. Doing very, very good.
Yeah.
Shirts are all ready. Look. Nice. You're ready to go. Nice and red. Power up. Yes.
Large, very large.
All right. Let's see, Miss Minister Wells is here. Well. Look like everybody's here, I think. Yeah, Lord.
Oh, there he is.
Yeah. I'm here. What's up, everybody? Yes, sir. It's going down. It's going down. Ladies and gentlemen, it's going down. Look at this. It's about to go down. I feel so proud of myself. Look at this. Look at this. Hola.
Hola. How are
I'm
you?
here. I'm doing good. You ready to go? Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Let's do this. Look at this. Look at this. The stage manager. One of the best. Look at him. Busy going to work. What's up, everybody?
What's up, dude?
Everybody's good.
What's up? You ready to do your thing today?
Oh yeah, I'm ready. Ready as all can be. I'm gonna need to charge some battery on this thing later. Hey, you wanna do me a favor?
What's up, man?
When I go up, you wanna do the camera for me?
Do the camera when you're going up?
Yeah.
Sure.
This is gonna be the control button right there. Zoom in right up top. Zoom in and stuff if you need to.
Okay.
Zoom in, out, and.
No problem.
Yeah, just remind me. All right, I definitely will. Thank you.
I thought Josh told me.
What, this?
Yes. Josh, he lied to me.
What? They told you like that.
He said that's all right.
Speaking of sound, I gotta go hurry up and oh snap. How you doing? Yeah. I'm about ready. I hope the fire team is ready. What's up, bro? You ready to go?
Yeah, you ready?
Yes, sir. I'm ready.
Let's do this.
Shoot. I know you nervous, ain't you? Look at you. You're nervous. Shaking. Look at you. I see you shaking. Your nose is shaking. I see. No, I'm not shaking. Look, I'm not shaking. It's all good. It's all good. Yeah. How's everybody doing?
Good. How you doing, bro?
Doing pretty good.
Gospel Explosion 2011.
Yes, sir.
Our expectation, our people are changed, delivered, saved,
Yeah.
and there's an explosion of evangelism here. Thanks
Yes,
to
sir.
you guys. Thanks for having us.
No problem, no
Kid City here.
problem. You got you. Always. Hey, you. Let me see. All right, this is how we're gonna do this. All right, I'll be back in a little while. About to get everything set up in a little bit. It's about to go down in a little while. All right.